I would say that the past few years for teachers has probably been extra challenging, probably not something that they have been, taught to be prepared for.
Teachers are very important. Not only do they educate our kids, they also deal with their emotional levels, help them build life skills that are going to forever help them in their future.
They're heroes, in a sense, of how they're shaping kids today to what they're going to become as adults.
We do depend on teachers a lot. They are, they do play the most important role, on our kids' everyday lives.
Some kids, it's hard at home, and when they come to school, it's an escape. And the confidence that the teachers put in them can really help build them and turn them into great young people.
Without them, we don't have a future.
What they do goes beyond the classroom and it impacts our homes.
It's a very important job, and I'm sure sometimes it's thankless, but we thank you, and we're so appreciative.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. From the bottom of my heart as a Mimi grandma and a mother, and thank you for giving your life for our kids.
We can't do this without you. We can't, educate our own children.
You guys are awesome. You do something that I could never do, and we depend upon you.
Don't give up. I mean, they're bringing our hope to our kids, and our kids are our future, and they're helping shape these kids that are going to shape our future.
Stay strong. You're the one pushing for these children. It's going to get hard, but it's always going to get better.
I know times are trying right now, but your sacrifices aren't going unnoticed.